Indians still go to bed on an empty stomach each night. If the current trends continue, 575 million people will still be living in extreme poverty. And only one-third of countries will have half their national poverty levels by 2030.
Good morning everyone. We are here today to discuss two important sustainable development goals. SDG 1, no poverty, and SDG 2, zero hunger. These are a part of a global initiative to make a world a better place by 2030.
Before discussing this topic, let us start today's assembly with a prayer. For today's thought, I would like to invite Kirat of class 6 here on the stage.
Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day. Thought of the day is if you do not feed 100 people, then feed just one. I repeat, it was well said by Mother Teresa that if you cannot feed 100 people, then feed just one. Thank you.
We all should know what is happening in the world around us. So I would like to call upon my fellow classmates to share the news.
News. India ramps up border drone defense. India is setting up a surveillance system with drones across its border to ward off surprise attacks like the one from Hamas in Israel.
Today's international news.
The Saudi government said it would, by 2024, cease doing business with any international companies whose regional headquarters were not based within the country.
Today's sports news is India won by England by 100 runs. Rohit Sharma was awarded with Man of the Match by making 87 runs on 101 balls. FIFA Football World Cup we started from 29th of November.
Today's weather is partially cloudy. Today the maximum temperature can be hotel 31 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature can be hotel 16 degrees Celsius. There are no expected chances of rain. The sun will rise at 6:36 a.m. and set at 5:37 p.m.
Thank you.
The 17 Sustainable Development Goals, also known as SDGs, which are an urgent call for action by all countries, developed and developing, in a global partnership.
They recognize that by ending poverty and other deprivations must go hand in hand with strategies that improve health and education, reduce inequality, and spur economic growth, while tackling climate change and working to preserve our oceans and forests.
This is all about eradicating poverty. Did you know millions of people around the world live in extreme poverty, struggling to meet their basic needs?
According to the United Nations, nearly 10% of the world population lives on less than $1.9 per day. Poverty affects healthcare, education, and standard living of life.
But here's some good news. We all can play a role in SDG 1. We can help by raising awareness about no poverty, supporting charities, and participating in community service projects. Every small action counts.
Let's talk about SDG 2, which is all about ensuring that nobody goes to bed hungry. It is a fundamental human right to have access to sufficient and rich protein food. SDG 2 is all about making a world free of hunger by 2030. Unfortunately, a huge significant parts of the world have this problem. In 2020, 9.9% of the population experienced malnourishment.
But we can make a difference. We can help achieve SDG 2 by reducing food waste, by supporting food banks, and by promoting farming practices. These actions can help ensure that everyone has enough to eat.
These two SDGs, no poverty and zero hunger, are closely connected. Poverty often leads to hunger, and hunger can keep people trapped in poverty. By working towards both of these goals, we can break the circle.
The poor, the homeless, the father, the mother, all died of hunger. The uncle and the aunt followed them later.
This I wonder while I lay in bed, why it is we all can be fed.
Poverty striking our brothers and sisters,
Making life struggle for fathers and mothers.
struggling to survive,
Being unable to thrive.
suffering from hunger and thirst.
Yet no step taken to eradicate hunger.
For we can extend a helping hand to the needy in a foreign land.
Now the students of grade 6 are going to present a Nukkad Natak in which we will see the wastage of food in our daily lives.
नमस्कार, आज हम कक्षा 6 के विद्यार्थी एक नाटक प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं जिसका शीर्षक है भोजन की बर्बादी। भोजन की बर्बादी? वो कैसे भाई, वो कैसे? वो तो आप और हम अपनी रोजाना की जिंदगी में कर ही रहे हैं। हम सबको बताएं कि 16 अक्टूबर को वर्ल्ड फूड डे मनाया जाता है। अब जरा इस दृश्य को भी देखिए।
हाँ, मैं आ गई। अरे तुम आ गए? अरे तुमने फिर से अपना खाना नहीं खाया?
अरे टिफिन कौन खाता है? मेरे दोस्त तो चिप्स बिस्किट लाते हैं। मैंने भी
वही खा लिया। तो इसका मतलब नहीं है कि तुम अपना खाना नहीं खाओगी। मैं हर रोज तुम्हारा खाना फेंकती हूँ, ये गलत बात है।
भोजन का सम्मान करें, फेंके नहीं किसी को दान करें। भोजन का सम्मान करें, फेंके नहीं किसी को दान करें।
अब जरा दूसरे देशों को भी देख लीजिए।
नमस्कार सेठ जी। नमस्कार नमस्कार। अरे भाई जल्दी हाथ चलाओ, आखिर हमारी बिटिया की शादी है, कोई छोटी मोटी बात थोड़ी ना है।
अरे सेठ जी, हमें ये तो बता दीजिए कि कितने लोगों का खाना बनाना है।
घर वाले और बारातियों को मिलाकर 400 लोगों का खाना बनेगा, लेकिन तुम 600 लोगों का खाना बना लो।
पर सेठ जी, ऐसे तो काफी सारा खाना बच जाएगा।
खाना बचता है तो बचे, खराब हो तो खराब हो, उससे मुझे क्या, पर खाना कम नहीं पड़ना चाहिए। आखिर मेरी भी इज्जत का सवाल है।
ठीक है सेठ जी, जैसा
भोजन का सम्मान करें, फेंके नहीं किसी को दान करें। भोजन का सम्मान करें, फेंके नहीं किसी को दान करें।
अब आइए ये तीसरा दृश्य भी देख लो।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
आज तो तुम्हारा बर्थडे है, पार्टी तो मिलेगी ना?
अरे क्यों नहीं, आज तो मैं एक बड़े होटल में खाने के लिए चलता हूँ।
Yes!
चलो चलते हैं। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. आज तुम्हें जो भी ऑर्डर करना है, जो भी खाना खा लो, आखिर मेरा बर्थडे है। मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आया, मैं नहीं खा रहा, कुछ और ले लेता हूँ। इस खाने में तो बिल्कुल स्वाद नहीं है, कुछ और ले लेती हूँ।
मुझे कुछ पीने का मन कर रहा है, मैं शेक ऑर्डर करती हूँ।
ये गंदा है, कुछ और ही खाने का मूड आता है।
कैसा है?
बहुत
मुझे
अच्छा।
पसंद नहीं आया। बहुत अच्छा है, ट्राई करो।
दोस्तों इसे छोड़ दो, कुछ और ऑर्डर कर लो।
बस अब मुझसे नहीं सहा जाता। आप सबने इतना सारा खाना बर्बाद किया है, ये कोई अच्छी बात हो ना है?
हमने इसके लिए पैसे दिए हैं, फ्री में थोड़ी ना आता है।
सही बात है,
सही बात है।
ठीक है, मान लिया, पैसे तो तुम्हारे हैं, पर रिसोर्सेज तो हमारे देश की है ना। तुम सबका कोई हक नहीं बनता इनको ऐसे बर्बाद करने का। शर्म आनी चाहिए तुम सबको।
सामने तुम तुम्हारे, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं, साबुना भूखा जाए। साईं इतना दीजिए, सामने तुम तुम्हारे, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं, साबुना भूखा जाए। आपने इन तीनों दृश्य में देखा था कि क्या समान है। एक समान है कि भोजन की बर्बादी हो रही है, बर्बादी। हम उस संस्कृति से आते हैं जहाँ पर खाना थाली पर छोड़ना पाप माना जाता है और अन्न को भगवान का स्वरूप माना जाता है।
भारत में इतना अन्न उगने के बावजूद एक सर्वे में बताया गया है कि भारत का हर 14वां व्यक्ति भूखा सोता है।
और आप जानते हैं ये क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि हम भोजन की बर्बादी कर रहे हैं। बर्बादी।
एक ओर हमारा देश हर क्षेत्र में विकसित हो रहा है, वहीं दूसरी ओर वर्ल्ड फूड रैंक में भारत 97वें नंबर पर आ रहा है। दुनिया का 1/3 खाना तो हर साल बर्बाद हो जाता है।
चाहे कुछ भी कहो, ऑस्ट्रेलिया जितना एक साल में उत्पन्न करता है, उतना तो हमारा देश बर्बाद ही कर देता है। और ये सब कुछ होता है भंडारण और खराब रखरखाव से।
हमारी खान पान की संस्कृति हमारे घर की रसोई से ही खराब होना शुरू हो गई है। हम खाते कम हैं और फेंकते ज्यादा हैं।
घर के बचे हुए खाने और कूड़ों से मीथेन गैस निकलती है, जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से भी ज्यादा खतरनाक होती है।
सामने तुम समाए, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं, साबुना भूखा जाए। साईं इतना दीजिए, सामने तुम समाए, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं, साबुना भूखा जाए। आओ, अब हम इस समस्या का कोई समाधान भी खोजते हैं।
शादी ब्याह में ज्यादा खाना ना बनाए और अगर खाना बच जाए उसे फेंके नहीं, किसी एनजीओ या गरीबों में दान कर दे।
अगर आपके घर में कोई खाना बचता है तो फिर रसोई के फ्रिज में स्टोर करके या खराब होने से पहले कई गरीब को दान कर दिए। अपनी थाली में उतना ही खाना ले जितना खा सके और अपने घर में उतना ही खाना बनाए जितनी अपनी जरूरत हो।
घर के बचे हुए खाने को सड़क के इधर ना फेंके, इससे गंदगी भी पैदा होती है और खाना भी बर्बाद होता है। हम बचे हुए खाने को गौशाला
पक्षियों को भी अन्न प्राप्त हो जाएगा। सही भंडारण और रखरखाव से भोजन एक बहुत बड़ा हद तक बच सकता है।
We can make a difference no matter how young we are. Together, we can help create a world with zero hunger and no poverty.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel would have been 148 years old this October 31st. This day is celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day. To respect his monumental achievement of helping merge over 550 princely states into the Union of India, the primary aim of Rashtriya Ekta Divas is to reinforce the importance of national unity and integration. Let's stand in the pledge position and take a pledge together. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. And with these feelings, I would like to call Raina ma'am.
Like we all forgot that there is some announcement that is going to happen after the pledge. So big round of applause for Class 6A presenting this beautiful assembly. Where are you? All the students, raise your hands. Once again, I would like to Yes, you should stand up. You should stand tall. Once again, a big round of applause. There are so many good things that I observed. One is your confidence. Great work. Seema ma'am, thank you so much for bringing that confidence in the students that without having any skill in their hand, they could speak on stage. And I think there was just 1 week and we changed the topic also, and they have presented it in 3 days. Yes, in 3 days they have just prepared this. Again, blame is on us. We changed the topic and they actually took it wholeheartedly. Congratulations, children. You have done a wonderful job. I will come back to the topic. Please sit down, all of you. Sit down. I will come back to the topic. So, what you learned today, I would like to ask the audience. Yes. What have you learned?
Ma'am, we should not waste food.
Okay. Are you wasting already? In school? Whatever your mom gives you in tiffin, you eat up everything?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Yeah. Yes. At the back. Yes. You want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if the food is left over, we should store it and or give it to the poor.
To the poor. Okay.
To the needy person. Okay. What else you have learned? Just about only food you have learned? Anything else? Anything else? I am looking for any other answer today.
Ma'am, we should help the needy.
We should help the needy. How can we help?
Ma'am, we can give them clothes and food.
Okay. My question now to the audience. If we give food to the needy, if we give clothes to the needy, are we going to solve the problem of poverty in the country? No. Then how we can solve the problem? Anybody from? How can we solve the problem? Yes. Louder. Yeah. Speak. Yes. Anybody here? Yeah.
The taxes which we give to government, they use it in giving it to poor also.
Okay. If we give money to poor, can we solve this problem? This is the question. By giving money to poor, by giving food to poor, by giving clothes to poor, can we solve the problem of poverty in the country or in the world?
Yes. Would you like to speak?
Ma'am, I think that the biggest need is we should give the needy unemployment so that he could earn on his own by doing the work, and he would feel that I also have my own dignity.
Awareness and education. Okay. Yes. Very good.
Big round of applause for this. Definitely we need to create employment, and we always think that this is the responsibility of the government. We have paid taxes, government should take care of everybody now, but as a citizen we all need to pitch in here, and in whatever possible way we can help in upbringing the economy, we should be doing it. So what you can do as a student, you should not be wasting your food whenever you feel that, like whatever resources you have, any extra resource, do not throw it. Always try to utilize that resource. Okay? So this is one thing. I think somebody has raised hand. They want to say something. Yes, Vita? Just speak up. Please stand up.
Ma'am, we can help them in the education because education makes
Yes, very good.
for them to.
Yes. How can you help in educating people?
There are many schools, also government schools, which are
Okay.
helping in the studying, and we can also help by donating them books.
Yes, by donating the books. Very good, very good. And in your neighborhood also, you must have seen there are people, maybe your house help, maybe your press wala or any other person who would be having small children in the family. So if he or she is illiterate, they may not be able to guide their children. So what you can do as a student, even you can also help in teaching them. Have you ever tried? Anybody has tried it? Have you tried? Raise only those people should raise hands. If you, okay, so many have you. Have you tried already? So how you have helped?
Ma'am, like they said that I don't know English and many of the words I speak, I don't know
Okay.
them in Hindi. So some of the words I say that
Very good. So you have translated words. Very good. Yeah. So okay. So this is the way, in our ways, whatever way we can help the needy people, we should be helping. We should not waste food because these are important resources of the country. We should not waste. And so we are going to check your classrooms now because last time when I came, we were talking about cleanliness, but still I guys see that there is so much of paper that is wasted in the rooms. All the rooms, after break, we see that there is so much of food that is being wasted in the school. So please take care of that, okay? So is it a promise now? Will you take care? Yes. Every time you say that, but you do not follow it. So now, okay, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Like when we finish our food, we show always in the dustbin. This is the priority that we should keep ourselves clean. But you said you can. No one will throw the paper on the floor.
Yes. So okay, you are throwing it in the dustbin now.
Yes.
Okay, good. But make sure that others also around you, they are also doing the same. Okay? Everybody has to follow it. So thank you once again. Thank you.
Next child I would like to call Divyakshi also. Divyakshi Gupta from class 6C. In the same championship she has got bronze medal. Congratulations to both of you. With a big round of applause.